Hi everyone, I am Vishal and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we have got yet another book haul and book flip through. So these are some of the books that I got, and these are from Kids Book Store India. So we have Thumbelina, an Omnibus collection, Foxwood Treasury, drawing book. Even we have got a pop-up book and lot more. So I hope you will enjoy the book flip through as well as the music. And yeah, let's do the book flip. So welcome to yet another book haul and book flip through. So the books are from Kids Book Store India, and let's open this. So it's quite an ordeal to unbox this. So let's count the books. We have one hardcover, a paperback, oh, we have got a pop-up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 paperbacks, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hardback. The first one is Thumbelina. Let's see the year it was. 1994. And we have some very beautiful watercolor illustrations. But we don't have that many pages, so with 32 pages. Next, the Paddington bear. So nice and crisp condition, and very beautiful watercolor illustrations. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 stories. So that's the Paddington Bear. Next we have Omnibus, Hilda Boswell's A Treasury of Favorites. And I believe it has a lot of. So we have Chronicles of Narnia. We have nursery rhymes, fairy tale verses, stories and poems. And even full spread illustrations, so that's a bonus. Jack and Jill, Little Miss Muffet. So this is from Rapunzel. So let's check the year of publication. Well, this is signed copy. It was printed, copyright 1972, and I don't know when it was printed. Another Foxwood book. So we have got Foxwood Regita, Foxwood, and one more. So this is the third Foxwood book that I have got my hands on, and one page is missing. So we have got a very beautiful full page spread of watercolor illustration of cute little rabbits, foxes, bears, porcupine, and much more. So this book cost me $189. A pop-up book, The Wind in the Willow. So as you can see, we have got a pop-up book. 1, 2, and 3. Only 3 pop-ups. Well, anyways, now the paperbacks first. Trucks and Bikes, another book from Draw 50 series. So we have got Suzuki Crowd Runner, Mayor's Max second Dune buggy. Ford Mustang, Ford Thunderbird. So we have got a receipt to Jamestown Edinburgh Bookshop, Buck Books and Bottle. Title on file, the total amount what's the total amount? $10.44 or so I have 5 or 6 books from this Draw 50 series. Next we have Hughless Douglas. Okay. Next we have this book by David Melling. So this is the third book that I have got from David Melling. So we have The Kiss That Missed, Good Night, Sleep Tight, and this is the third one. So his illustrations are very quirky and I love his illustrations. Next we have The Magician's Horse and other horse stories. So it does not have that many illustrations. A few illustrations. We have 1 illustration, 2 illustration, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, perhaps 8 or 10 illustrations. Usborne book. So I have got many books on horses, so you can check that out. So this book belongs to a sticker is on top of it. Can I remove it without damaging the top? So we have a lot of horses. Then The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. Let's hope it has so many illustrations and full page spreads too. So yep, this is a great find. So we have got Lucy and Ursula, the Snow Queen. Perhaps these are all oil pastel illustrations. and these turned out very pretty. So we have got Edmund. So quite the book that I got my hands on. So this was published in the year 2002. And lastly we have Sutem, a French book, perhaps. Yeah, it's a French. Cute little illustration of bunny. So let me know which one was your favorite of all the books that I have shown you today, and you can check out the other book flip through and book hauls that I have on my channel. Around 7 or 8 book hauls and book flip throughs I have done on this channel. You can check that out. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this book haul and book flip through. Let me know which one was your favorite book, and I'll see you soon. Peace. Thank you for watching the whole video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you liked the video, drop me a thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me. And if you want to know if you want me to know that you have reached up to here, just comment black pineapple. And if you have any feedback, ideas or suggestion, if you want me to cover any other topic, let me know in the comment section. And also you can check out the other book flip through and book hauls. I'll link those up here and down in the description. And until next time, peace.